Welcome to the show. I'm Kathy Ireland. Magic happens around our tables. It's where we work, collaborate, share meals, and where great ideas are born. That's a lot of pressure on a piece of furniture. Gino Plitt, CEO of SurfaceWorks, joins us to tell us more about their innovative, award-winning table solutions that are designed to handle everything we can load on them. Welcome, Gino.
Thank you. It's really great to be here.
Gino, let's start with the SurfaceWorks logo because it really encompasses what this company is all about. Describe it for us.
The SurfaceWorks logo really does tell the story of SurfaceWorks. We call it the Infinity S. First of all, it's shaped like an S for the name SurfaceWorks. Second, it incorporates the infinity symbol, which represents our infinite options. And lastly, it's shaped like a gear to represent our engine that always runs smooth. And that talks about our operational excellence and our customer service.
Excellent. Gino, talk about this idea of making it yours and how SurfaceWorks customizes products.
Sure. Our tables are really designed for the designer to create their own tables. You can think of it as SurfaceWorks is supplying the paintbrushes and the canvases and the paints, so that the designer can come up with their own masterpieces.
And can you describe for us some of the options that customers can choose from?
First of all, you're going to have to select a suitable table style for the space that you're going to put the table in. What kind of a space is it? Once you've picked out the appropriate table style, you need to consider the shape and the size that meets the space requirements. And once that's done, you've got material choices and finishes and options, and that's where we've got literally thousands of different options to choose from. You can start with a simple table style, a simple shape, a basic shape, and we've got all the basics covered. Or you can start varying the shape, varying the size. You can even create your own shapes. So we like to make it easy for the designer to go from the very simple to the very complex and anything in between.
Wow, and we get to be creative.
That's right.
My office interiors company, we have a number of brands. SurfaceWorks was one that came up, and we did a factory tour, and I was really impressed with how they performed, the technology that they had within their factory, and they're a relatively local supplier. We have customers that sometimes the most important part to them is timing. They need 20 conference tables in 2 weeks. SurfaceWorks can deliver on that. I have other customers that the most important thing to them is a high level of design, special laminates, different edge details, something a little more creative or something special. SurfaceWorks gives us that ability, whether it's a large custom, whether we have to involve technology. SurfaceWorks has come through every time for us.
SurfaceWorks describes itself as an engine that always runs smooth. Can you explain that for us?
Sure. You know, at SurfaceWorks, one of the things that we strive for, maybe the biggest thing we strive for, is that positive customer experience. With our infinite options, the degree of difficulty goes up. So we've created a lot of software to keep track of all these moving parts. It's a whole team effort to make sure that we are delivering high quality products on time. And I believe that we're performing at a pretty high level because we've been voted Table Manufacturer of the Year for 3 out of the past 4 years by the Office Furniture Dealer Alliance. And that's a really nice award that we're humbled to have received.
Now, congratulations on
Thank
that.
you.
And SurfaceWorks is a family-owned business, and it's committed to service with a Smile Wisconsin style. Can you describe the culture for us?
Yes, it's very much a family atmosphere at SurfaceWorks where people care about each other. Being a mass customizer, there's a lot of details to chase, and things can get a little nutty, a little crazy, and it can get stressful at times. We found that to combat that stress, it's good to create a fun and positive work environment. The atmosphere at SurfaceWorks is casual, and the culture is positive, and it's always good to have a culture that people want to be a part of.
Right.
And this positive culture shines through in our customer service, which goes to creating that positive customer experience.
Gino, let's talk about customer service and having a real person answer the phone for customers.
Well, I guess, Kathy, we're one of the last companies that still answers the phone with a live person. We're making customized product for unique customers, so it's important for us to get to know each customer. So every opportunity that we get to interact with a customer is an opportunity to deepen the relationship a little bit more. If we had an automated system, we'd lose that opportunity. And the customers really do appreciate being able to talk to a live person when they call SurfaceWorks.
There's nothing more frustrating than when you need answers and you just can't get them. Our team of estimators can get most quotes back to you within 24 hours. We also have over 100 salespeople in every major market in the US that are willing to help you locally. And then of course we have our friendly account administrators. It's their job to make sure that you get the answers that you need.
Quality is not something that we do, but something that defines us. On top of that, I think the people are what make it unique. From the way that the people work together, the drive, the diversity, the teamwork. Everybody has an end goal to be successful together as a team.
Everyone will tell you that they have quality products, great customer service, and short lead times. Well, we check all those boxes, but we also provide infinite options to provide the table that you want. You don't buy a SurfaceWorks table, you buy your table made by SurfaceWorks.
Do you know, it sounds like SurfaceWorks' infinite possibilities and service with a smile is a winning combination. Congratulations to you, and thank you for joining us.
Oh, thank you, Kathy. Very nice to be here.
Thank you for watching. I'm Kathy Ireland.